Traveling on a low budget in India is absolutely doable, thanks to the country's wide variety of affordable options for transportation, accommodation, food, and activities. Here are some strategies to help you make the most of your trip without breaking the bank.
Usually have lower accommodation prices and fewer crowds. Hill stations like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Sikkim are pleasant during these months, and beach destinations like Goa and Kerala have budget-friendly deals.
2. Use budget transportation. Trains. The Indian Railways network is extensive and affordable. Sleeper and second class are the cheapest options, and you can book tickets in advance on platforms like IRCTC. Buses, state-run and private buses are often more affordable than trains, especially for shorter distances or when trains are fully booked. Shared cabs and ride-sharing. In cities, apps like BlaBlaCar allow shared rides, while Ola and Uber also offer carpool options to cut costs, auto rickshaws and public buses. In most cities, these are the cheapest ways to travel. Always ask for a metered fare or agree on a price beforehand.
3. Stay in budget accommodations. Hostels and guest houses. Look for hostels like Zostel, Mustache, or Backpacker Panda, which offer clean, affordable dormitories and rooms. Homestays. Websites like Airbnb, homestay.com, or local operators can connect you with affordable stays in local homes. Dharmshalas and ashrams. In places like Haridwar, Varanasi, and Rishikesh, religious lodging options are often very affordable and well-maintained.
Eat local and street food. India is famous for its delicious and budget-friendly street food. Each region has its specialties like vada pav in Mumbai, pani puri in Delhi, and poha in Madhya Pradesh. Dabas, or local roadside eateries, serve filling meals at low prices, especially on highways and in rural areas. Thali meals are a great option too. Thalis are complete meals with rice, bread, curries, and condiments, often unlimited and very affordable. South Indian thalis are especially budget-friendly.
Avoid tourist traps. Shop smart because tourist hotspots often have inflated prices. Look for local markets and don't be afraid to negotiate, but do it politely. Also explore lesser-known destinations. Skip expensive spots like Goa and Jaipur in favor of lesser-known but equally beautiful areas like Gokarna in Karnataka or Bundi in Rajasthan.
Use free and low-cost experiences. Heritage walks are a great option. Many cities have free or very low-cost heritage walks. Delhi, Jaipur, and Ahmedabad offer such tours. Parks and lakes are another good choice. India has many scenic parks and lakes that are free or have nominal entry fees, such as Cubbon Park in Bangalore or Udaipur's lakes. And don't forget about religious sites. Temples, mosques, and churches are often free to enter, and many are stunning architectural sites with rich history.
So here's the thing, guys. Planning ahead and booking in advance can really make a difference. For train and bus tickets, it's super important to book well in advance, especially during peak holiday seasons. Trust me, it can save you a lot of hassle. And hey, don't forget about those handy apps like Paytm, Redbus, and the official IRCTC app. They're really helpful for booking your tickets. When it comes to accommodations, booking in advance on apps like Booking.com, Agoda, or Goibibo can sometimes fetch you better deals. So yeah, a little bit of planning can go a long way in making your travel smoother and more budget-friendly.
Get an affordable SIM card from networks like Jio or Airtel to have internet access and avoid expensive roaming fees. And to save on data charges, download Google Maps or Maps.me for offline navigation.
Another great way to save money and have a fantastic experience is to join group tours or trekking communities. Many trekking communities or local tour groups like India Hikis or YHI offer budget-friendly trips that cover meals, transportation, and accommodation. You can also check out platforms like Meetup, Facebook travel groups, or local tour agencies for affordable group adventures.
Don't forget to carry a student ID or relevant passes. Student IDs, government IDs, or international youth cards can offer discounts on museum entries, heritage sites, and more in many places.
If you're planning a low-budget journey around a specific region, here's an example for North India. Start in Delhi for 3 days. Explore Red Fort, Jama Masjid, India Gate and Connaught Place. Eat at local eateries like Paranthi Wali Gali and travel within the city by metro. Next, head to Agra for 2 days. Visit the Taj Mahal during off-peak hours, explore Agra Fort and enjoy local markets. Take a sleeper train or bus to get there, then spend 3 days in Jaipur, visit Amer Fort, City Palace and Jantar Mantar. Stay at budget hostels and travel by local buses or shared tuk-tuks. Finally, visit Varanasi for 3 days. Visit Kashi Vishwanath Temple, participate in the evening Ganga Aarti and enjoy a sunrise breakfast.